How to lock your Messenger app. Follow these steps. Initially launch the Messenger app and make sure you are signed in to your Messenger account. Once you're in the app, tap on the hamburger icon located at the bottom right corner. Now in the menu, select Settings. Just scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on the Privacy and Safety. Under the Security category, you'll find an option labeled App Lock. Click on it to enter the settings where you can enable the biometric lock for Messenger. In the App Lock settings, you will see the option Unlock with Biometrics. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. After setting up the biometric lock, you will be prompted to choose a duration for when Messenger will automatically lock after exiting the app. Choose the time that best suits your preference. Now go back. Your changes will be automatically saved. Now you know how to lock your Messenger app.